of words. The legend says depict who he works. Crowned as gold like an ant in a boat. In her presence, silence reigns. Under her regime, peace falls like rains. The universal stars of light utterly consumed the night. The brightest is seen and the sensation of satisfaction is felt, majestic and keen. There is a pit. There are two parts within the pit. One heads to better and the other to bitter. None is competent of describing the inventor, the unawareness of a judicious soul, innovating a new splendid carriage and cover of a misadventurous whole. Hold your breath, untie the net, a virgin mind of wisdom appointed to cause freedom. The wise is consecutively honored, ordained with good name. The platform changes, bright and colored. One overwhelmed with compliments of fame. Hooray, hooray, jubilate my innovation. A heart of justice, a medulla oblongata of easy saying. Thoughts like magic. The wise is always ordained. No form of discrimination. Presence of love and elation. She boldly says, I am, that of which the masters found. Open your side, stretch your arm, on which others get to the top. An omnipotent mount, set the mood, begin the dance, paint the colors of romance, embrace wisdom, all the way to freedom. I am ordained, ordained.